Welcome! The Eldorado SELPAs have created this quick video tutorial to address commonly asked questions. Following the tutorial, we encourage you to explore our professional learning catalog by scanning the QR code at the bottom of the screen. Let's get started.
The password reset feature can only be used for users with a valid email address in their user profile. The district-level user, or SELPA, must reset the password if the user does not have an email or enters an incorrect username. From the SEIS login page, click the login link on the navigation bar. Click the Forgot Password link. Enter your username and click Request Password Reset button. You will receive an email with additional instructions. Go to your email and follow the prompts to reset your password.
Thank you for learning with us. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. On behalf of the Eldorado SELPAs, thank you for everything you do to improve the outcomes of students with disabilities.